8 simple lists that will help you become more productive. Options for those who are tired of the usual to-do lists. This is the bright side of life. Check out our time management hacks and comment what works for you best. 1. A not-to-do list. The method is described in Donald Roth's book called Don't Read This Book, Time Management for Creative People. It helps us catch the main thing and understand which things are really important and which can be put off. Here, all tasks need to be divided into 3 lists: tasks to complete, completed tasks, and not tasks. Add only 3 things to the first column, those you consider the most important or urgent. The rest of the activities should temporarily stay in not task list. When you're finished with the task from the first column, it must be moved to the list of completed tasks. Then a new one from the third group of not tasks goes to the first list. Well done, the circle is complete. 2. List of goals for 90 days. Experts in personal effectiveness and productivity believe that goals should be set precisely for 3 months, but not for a year as many do. So you will have more chances not to lose motivation and achieve what you want. Plan your activities in detail for the next 90 days and keep this list handy so you don't forget that it's really important where you go and what you want to achieve. 3. List of dreams. A list can contain the most insane and unrealizable at first glance dreams. Firstly, it will help you hear yourself and better understand your real needs. Secondly, in a few years you'll look at this list and realize they do come true, sometimes in the most unexpected way. 4. List of mantras. This is not about Indian mantras, but about affirmations, phrases that inspire and support you. For example, I do my best, and life loves me. You can also add inspiring quotes from books or movies, and any thoughts that help you go on and feel better. Read the list if you are discouraged and have lost motivation. 5. Already done list. Usually we just cross off completed tasks and forget about them, though you can collect them in a separate list. This way you will see how much you actually do. You can also keep a list of books you've read, movies you've watched, events you've attended, countries you've traveled to, and anything you like. 6. List of deadlines. As a rule, we put down deadlines when setting a goal. But you can make an additional list of all, even little tasks that have deadlines, in chronological order. This list would be useful to those who loves paper notebooks and diaries. 7. Thank you list. Just list all the events, things, and achievements for which you are grateful to yourself, loved ones, colleagues, or a lucky coincidence. According to research, gratitude evokes happiness, makes us more optimistic, active, and motivated. 8. List of things that make you happy. Such a list can be used to take care of yourself during difficult times. It helps to rejuvenate and cope with stress. It can include sports, relaxation, massage, meditation, delicious food, books and TV shows, writing practices, spa treatments, and anything else, as long as it really delights you. Keep a list handy, and if you have a hard day, choose an activity that will help you relax and feel better. Comment below which list you like the most. Like this video and subscribe so the bright side of life is always with you.